Alright, today's video, we're getting the third bike ready for the car and bike show out in Harrisburg for Motorama this year. The first two videos, you saw me get the 370 Banshee ready. You saw me get the 4mm 421 Banshee ready. And now this video, we're going to get the third bike ready, which just needs a basic cleaning. I know it's not much, not too in detailed of a video, but I figured set you guys up, time-lapse it, and let you watch. That's what the whole point of this deal is, right? But since this video is a basic video, I can guarantee you that this bike is not a basic bike. I can guarantee you will not see this bike at your local dealership anywhere. It's a bike to where when people see it, and you think that you're mentally insane. But that's what I like. Let me show you. This is my YFZ450 with a big bore 800cc SpeedWerx Arctic Cat snowmobile engine installed. Powder coated, custom painted from the one and only Nubs from Nubs Graphics. You want to see junk in the trunk? Look at that. A whole lot of meat right there. She does have an addiction though. She's hooked on the juice. 65 shot of nitrous. There's going to be other videos with this bike. I'm actually going to do a sit down video with this bike and talk with you guys. This bike and I have a little bit of history. This bike is the main reason what pushed me to go full blown in on my eBay business, Banshee Joe's. So what I'm going to do one day is I'm going to sit down, I'm going to grab a couple drinks, and just have a chit chat with you guys and just let you guys know how I got to where I'm at right now. But anyways, enough of the small talk. Let me get this camera set up so you guys can watch me take the plastics and the wheels off, and then I'll pick up the camera so you guys can look at it in more detail with all the stuff off of it to see on how that engine got put in there and how it's wired up and the whole 9 yards. But yeah, let's have at it, guys. Alright guys, there she be. We got the fenders off, so now you can see the inner workings to this pig. Here's the engine, Arctic Cat F7, which was sent out to SpeedWerx and had their 800cc big bore kit put on it. So it's an 800cc power valve, twin cylinder 2-stroke with a 65 shot of nitrous. It's got the front forward exhaust and front forward crank induction intake, which is actually kind of cool for when you're mounting this type of motor in a different chassis. It frees up the backside of the engine to give you options for mounting. Here's the factory clutching from Articat. Here's the wiring harness. That was an absolute nightmare, getting the factory snowmobile wiring harness to fit into a four-wheeler frame. Cutting it and lengthening it, hoping I'm not screwing something up. But my goal was to be able to look at this thing from any direction, really, and not see any wires, to have it as clean as possible. Which wasn't easy, but I did my best. Here's a shot of the arch swing arm. It's arched to clear the jack shaft, which converts from the factory snowmobile clutching to chain drive. But when I got this bike, it was in raw form. It definitely did not look this way. And believe it or not, it actually was slow. But I got a hold of a local company that specializes in snowmobile drag racing. Told them what I had, told them what I was doing. And I worked with them, and we just started working on it. You know, we had some electrical gremlins, we figured them out. Then we got the Digitron display to record our RPMs and EGTs and all that. Started working with the power valves, started working with clutch weights, and then before we knew it, this thing turned out to be an absolutely nasty pig. Anyways, there she is. Let's get all the parts on it. Let's put it back together. Let me take some badass videos and photos for you guys to sit back and check it out. See ya!